Put your face on. The phrase put your face on is an informal way of saying to apply makeup or get ready in terms of appearance. Here are 2 example sentences for you.
1. Before heading to the school play, Sarah decided to put her face on, using a bit of lipstick and some light foundation to enhance her stage presence. 2. As the students prepared for the class photo, the teacher jokingly told them to take a moment to put their faces on, encouraging them to look their best for the picture.
Save face. The expression save face means to avoid embarrassment or humiliation, especially in social situations. Here are 2 example sentences that may help you understand the meaning of the expression. Despite making a mistake during the presentation, Ali tried to save face by quickly acknowledging it with a smile and moving on to the next point.
After realizing the error in the report, Maria quickly rectified the mistake and presented the revised version to her team, aiming to save face and maintain her professional reputation.
Poker face. The phrase, poker face, refers to a facial expression that shows no emotion, especially in situations where one might be trying to conceal their feelings or intentions. Here is an example sentence.
During the surprise test, even though she was nervous, Aisha maintained a poker face to avoid giving away any hints about the difficulty of the questions.